Vanakkam and welcome to PODEVS Community. In this community, we are going to start a new series called Dr. Takumi Soushin, and in this series, we will be seeing many new interesting things according to me. And let's get started. So, what is mean by Takumi Soushin is a simple thing. We are going to innovate something which is new to this field, and we will be giving many new things fully open source through this community, and also we'll be participating in many things which you are going to like it. So let me tell what we are going to do. So what will be giving you guys the components. We'll be putting in many different programming languages and making interesting components which you can use it in your own coding or any competitions such as hackathons or any design. We will be also providing a designs too. So it will all be open source. Everything you can be used for free, and we will be just collecting the names of the user. So if you are going to use our open source, just fill the Google Forms and you are free to use the entire software of the component. Next, we will be creating new interesting ideas from you guys. They will be innovating it as a real market-based brand, and we will be using it as innovation platform, such as you guys will be providing your problems or ideas, and we will be trying to make it with you, and you can be able to establish this as a full marketplace. We will be also joining in many competitions and having fun, or many fun codings and practical things which you actually are going to like. So let me give you a warm welcome to this event, and I think a short introduction is enough. So I think let's begin. Okay, so welcome guys. I think you guys are ready to join with us. So thanks again for joining with us. Let's hope it's a big thing.